natin ngayon? Si Prince.
Sino ba ako?
Si Prince. Prince, anong pangalan ng banda natin?
Something came up.
Something Came Up. Kailan nag-start yung Something Came Up?
2016. 10 years ago.
Sino-sino yung kamakabanda mo?
Meryl on the drums. Josh on bass. Pao on guitars. On the other side of guitars, Maynard. And ako yung vocalista, si Prince.
So, paano nag-start yung Something Came Up? Lagi ba kayong magkasama dati? Or
Actually,
paano nag-start?
Something came up naman kami as a group. Friends first naman kami.
Yeah.
So, magtutropa naman talaga.
So, kumbaga,
Mahilig
secondary.
lang kami mag-call in.
Yeah, secondary yung
Secondary na
banda.
banda.
Pero nagsimula talaga sa mga tambay-tambay.
Tulad ngayon, itong Steve Luna event na to. Nandito na kami halos lahat. Pero natambay kami kasi we enjoy our company and we enjoy the fucking scene.
Yeah, there you go. Kailan tayo nag-meet? Nung, hindi, tandaan ko, yung tambay sa Typecast yata on Sandwich.
Yata.
Nagbebenta ako ng parang perfume.
Oo nga.
Yung perfume, tapos
Perfume tapos yung pang Bimpo.
Good Morning Towel.
Good morning towel.
Yeah. Tapos nun, yan, pagmula nun, lagi nang magkakatambay, tutugtugan.
Oh,
Itong mga Something Came Up kids, like, I fucking love these guys.
thank you.
Lagi nandito nakasuporta, lagi nakatambay, lagi
Alright.
pag may show.
Siyempre.
Playing or not, they're here.
Yes.
Kasi yan talaga yung community.
Yes,
Maganda yung
kailangan
community.
natin i-grow yung community natin. Kahit ano yung tunog, kahit ibang genre, music is music, motherfucker. Kailangan tuloy-tuloy lang.
So, Something Came Up, mayroon ba tayo naka-release sa Spotify or
Yes,
YouTube?
Something came up is streaming on all music platforms. We are on Spotify, YouTube, you name it. We're there. Instagram, Something Came Up official. Facebook, Something Came Up. If you guys want a sneak peek of our behind the scenes, our music, how we make it, yung mga tambay namin nandun.
Yung Something Came Up, ano yung influence ng Something Came Up?
Something Came Up is a mixture of Western and OPM. Urban dub, typecast, you name it kasi kami yung mga para sa akin as a vocalist, pag nagsusulat, lahat ng nagustuhan ko nung high school ako, which is yung urban dub nga, Kamikaze, Sandwich, Dashboard Confessional, yun, sinapuso ko yun. Kasi sabi ko, that kind of music at the time was dying. So, why not relive your high school days?
Yeah, no, definitely.
Kaya, yun.
Tsaka yun nandito yung passion mo, nandito yung mga kaibigan mo.
Yes.
Tumatambay kayo, gumagawa kayo ng music.
Siyempre,
That's good.
that's what it is. Kaya ang payo ko rin sa mga budding or kung love mo lang ang music, just do it, man. People who hate you, who gives a shit, as long as you love it,
I love you.
yeah, doesn't really matter, bro.
Si Prince, Something Came Up.
Maraming salamat sa Good Fakes. Support Good Fakes, support Caliban, support the motherfucking community because this is what it's about.
Maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat.
Tambay tayo. Shot na uli.
Shut na ulit.
Yeah, di ba?
Oo.
Ayos.